Most of New Zealand's geothermal resources are in the Taupo volcanic zone, which falls within the Bay of Plenty and the Waikato regions. Within the Bay of Plenty region, a number of different geothermal systems have been identified. Many of these are located in the Rotorua district, including the unique Rotorua geothermal system that sits beneath the city centre. The Rotorua geothermal system has an approximate surface area of 12 square kilometres. It is hot, with temperatures in excess of 100 degrees, accessible from the surface via hot pools. It has many surface features, including springs, pools, steam-fed features, and some of New Zealand's last remaining geysers. The system has been used in a low-impact way by Māori for hundreds of years. Early European use was also low impact, with extractive use not becoming commonplace until the 1950s. Overuse and waste of the resource, resulting in the decline of many and the failure of some active surface features, was recognised in the 1970s. This was addressed by government intervention and a change of management policy in the late 1980s, which saw the closure of many bores, the requirement to re-inject fluid where possible, and the establishment of an exclusion zone within 1.5 kilometres of Pohutu geyser. The intent was to protect remaining features and attempt to recover what had been lost. While recovery was rapid for some features, others have taken much longer, and some may never recover. The decline and recovery of the Rotorua system has been closely studied and monitored, starting with the Rotorua Geothermal Monitoring Program in 1982. Our past experience informs our understanding now, and the management of the resource continues to be heavily science-informed. We observe the system closely and further build our knowledge, gathering data in many different ways, such as from use. This includes bore logs when drilled, and temperatures, flows, and chemistry data from takes, amongst other information. From monitoring programs, for example, of surface features and groundwater geothermal aquifers, as well as from specific research projects, including resistivity, heat flow, and thermal infrared surveys, and geochemistry and geophysics analysis. The information gathered is used in different ways, some to build a conceptual understanding or model of the system, what it looks like, how it works, and the things that may impact on it. For example, its geology and location of faults that influence how water flows. And some to test our understanding and to see how the system is responding to natural variations and resource use. Our research has informed us that the Rotorua geothermal system has its main heat source to the south, and that deep geothermal fluids upwell in three main areas: Whakarewarewa, Napuna, and Kuirau Ohenemutu. It also tells us that maintaining aquifer levels is critical to ensuring the mauri of these geothermal features. The requirement to protect surface feature values continues to drive the management of the Rotorua geothermal system and is set in policy through the Bay of Plenty Operative Regional Policy Statement 2014. Because we know that these features are vulnerable to fluid and heat abstraction, establishing limits for use is essential to ensuring the sustainable management of the resource.
This has been a Digital Elements production. Digital Elements, imagination realized.